Okay, so what do we have? Round and round, up and down, back and forth. Those three will give us a mystery animal. Let's do a quick little cartoon or animation. Round and round, up and down, round and round, up and down. So this is actually going to be a drawing of something, but we're using it as an exercise in gaining confidence and freedom in your drawing. Round and round, up and down, and then round and round. See if you can really carve that circle round and round this way, round. Oh, we all have a direction that we stay away from. Obviously mine is this direction, whereas, well, look at this one. Oh, it's coming. It's a right brain, left brain crossover. Look at that, it's coming. Now back to this one. Still a little more confident there. This way, that way. Okay, whew. This is going to be exercise. Round and round for the eyes. Round and round for the eyes. Little finger drawing for the eyes. Because we're not using the dot, we're only using round and round, up and down, back and forth. Up and down, round and round, round and round. Let's do a back and forth here. We have to get a zigzag. Round and round, up and down, back and forth, zigzag. But I'm going to add a little character to my zigzag. I'm not just going to put a zigzag in. I'm going to put a zigzag across the top like that. Then one big one over there and one big one over there. So zig, zag, over there and over there. Then down, round, round. See the round? If I continued that, that would be round. See? Round, 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 round. It's kind of a round zigzag, but it's still a zigzag. And then pull it down like this, pull it down like this. Little zigzag there, little zigzag there. Shade in the nose and leave a little white spot. The shading is basically a line on an angle. There we go. And shading is really using these lines, you see? So, there we go. A quick little drawing of a dog using round and round, up and down, back and forth, and zigzag. Now, if I did it like this, using the same idea, this would just be a quick one here. See those lines that we practiced? Round and round, up and down, back and forth, zigzag, wiggle, 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 dot, dot, dot. Get it done, practice it, and now you're doing drawing. Now we are working with the round and round, up and down, back and forth, and the zigzag. I have hundreds of exercises to develop this, but let's just take the round and round and let's work oval into the equation. There's round and round. Now the next is the oval. Now the oval is very much like back and forth, except that it is rounded. Now you'll notice it looks pretty easy when I'm doing it. And I've created a sphere, a three-dimensional shape. Now, if I can slow this down for you, I want you to think that the front of the oval, the pencil comes down. The back of the oval, it lifts off. That's why that first exercise with all the pencil grip, round and rounds, is so important. Now I can add the whole part of the oval or the ellipse, but usually if we're learning how to draw in 3D, part of it is in the front and part of it is in the back. You don't see it. In this case, for this exercise, I'd like you to draw some circles with ovals And we'll practice a little exercise called atom ellipse, which is an oval this way, 12 o'clock and 6 o'clock, and 3 o'clock and 9 o'clock. So when you watch this, you can see that the front part, now I'm using a finger drawing, the front part is darkened so that you can develop the ability of perspective, which means per specto, the Latin to see through. You need to draw in perspective to see through. And I can guarantee you that you probably felt insecure in your drawing when you reached the tender age of three-dimensional drawing. Let me get rid of that fear for you right now and concentrate on this shape. Let's suppose we're doing a teacup. Oh, it seems like such a simple thing. There we go. The teacup, of course, is a circle, or round and round, a sphere. So I put an ellipse through there. Doesn't that look easy? But let me tell you, you have to practice these shapes over and over. First, round and round. Practice that until you can master it. Then move to the ellipse. Practice the ellipse in all different directions. Once you have drawn these 6 lines and all their variations, this is the round and round variation, then you can get to work on putting them all together to make things such as a teacup. And once you've done that, you'll start to get good at drawing. But you have to put in the time to doodle a bit like this and get quality in your lines. Okay? And then you can do whatever you want with it. But just to review this class, let's go over it quickly. We learned round and round, up and down, back and forth, zigzag, zigzag, wiggle, dot, dot, dot. They were introduced. We concentrated on the round and round and the ellipse. Then we did the up and down exercises and the back and forth. We did a little dog with a zigzag. And then we practiced putting the round and rounds with ellipses through them. Now you can try that ellipse 12 o'clock, 6 o'clock, and 12 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 1 o'clock, and then all through the different, and it looks like an atom, see? Very good.